Hey there! So in this video, I'm going to show you how you can do your video editing and replace this desktop editor using Canva. So welcome to another episode of Canva Motion Secrets. My name is Mike and I'm here to show you how you can create your own video and with using Canva. So what we're trying to do is actually replace your existing video editor. So I'm using Cyberlink PowerDirector. This is actually one of the videos I edited for my travel YouTube channel. So I'm going to replace it with a Canva template. So what I just did is I just created a video, so just a blank video. So I'll just show you the project that I did. So first thing is to actually do the intro. So I'm going to recreate the intro using Canva. So basically this is the intro that I created. Okay, let me just open it. So when you create a video using Canva, you'll see the timeline at the bottom. Okay, so it's actually taking some time to load. So while that's loading, let me just quickly go through the video editor. So the usual video editor has all of these tracks and timelines in the timeline editor. So basically you can just scrape here. There's a built-in animation. So yep, I would actually try to do is to recreate this inside Canva. So let's check. Okay, so I started with just one scene. So basically what I did is the background here, just change it to yellow, so the default is white. I just added some text, so I just took some text in here and then recolored it using the brand, my brand. I think I just did this one, then drag it here, and then I added the text in here, added some shadows, and what's important here is you actually have to animate. Just click on the animations. So basically you can customize it on the left panel, and then I added some elements. So this is a frame, you can search it under elements and then add a video frame, which is this circle. So I uploaded all of my travel videos, just use my phone to actually shoot these videos and upload it using the app. And then I have this animated element, the airplane. So basically it would circle around in here. So let's just try to play that one quickly. Okay, so let's go back. Let's scrub the timeline. So basically what I just did is I have this airplane. I did the custom animation. So basically, as you can see, there's a path that is drawn in here. So the airplane moves in that direction. So basically that's how I did this first scene there. So what's missing right now actually in Canva is mask. So I'm not able to do video mask, a moving video mask in Canva right now. So maybe that's one of the features that they would be implementing in the future. And so after I added all of these elements, I have to create a new scene or a new page. So we just click on the plus button at the bottom, and then this is the second page. So I put in our picture there, I search for an element in here, and the arrow, animated arrow in here. And what's important is you actually add the transition. So I prefer the color wife. I think that's more in line with the brand. So as you can see, when you try to scrub the timeline, there's an animation in there which is consistent with the other pages. So that's how you actually do transitions for your pages or scenes inside Canva. Then I added a third scene, which is okay, that's the second page, then the third page. Okay, so basically what I did is I added a video, then I added this animated element. I adjusted the time in here so that it matches with the music. This one is the music. Okay, so hold on. Okay, so we'll adjust it there so it matches the music in here. Okay, so the last scene, as you can see, it's a different transition. So I wanted a circle wipe like that, and then I added our logo, which is basically this one. I want to animate it like it's from a scrapbook, so it just like kind of wiggles around, so that when the timing, okay, so as you can see there. Now there's also a trick in here, so you can click on the animated element, then just right click, then show timing. You can actually adjust it, so you can adjust the animation when it starts and ends. So right now, when the transition moves, the animation of the element starts as well. Okay, So basically that's it for the intro. Now I also need to reproduce the main project, which is actually this one. So while that's loading, basically I have this already. So I wanted to have a video template where I can easily upload all the pictures, all the videos, just drag it in there. And basically what would happen is when you're traveling, so you kinda upload it using the mobile app. So I did this template, which is somehow a bit different from the original editor. So I have scenes in here, I have intro, I have some animations in here. So basically I tried to simplify it with Canva. So I added the intro already. So I exported it. So and then added it as the first scene in here. And then after that, the first page or the first scene. So as you can see, I have a text in here. I love the typewriter effect as well. Then I add a frame, our picture in there. So at the back, you might not see, but there's some rectangle just to make it look like a shadow. And then what I did is it's baseline, so that's how it looks like. And then I added our logo, a rectangle element in here, which is to our brand. And then the text, of course. So I wanted the text to actually ascend by word, as you can see. And then similar to the intro, I added the transition for the color wipe. Okay, there. So maybe you can change your colors. Okay, so there. Okay, yep. Then you can actually apply it to all of the pages, or in this case maybe none. Let's just scrub. There's actually 21 scenes in this video, so so in the last scene, which is our outro, I have another video in there. Okay, yep, maybe none. Okay, so you can easily scrub the timeline inside the video editor in Canva. So as you can see, I just duplicated the pages and then replace the background image or the page with the video. So what I did with the videos is I actually did a speed up, so you can speed up your video so it does not play at one times. The maximum you can do is twice the speed. inside Canva. You can also mute your video so that the background music so I chose the same background music as our previous video, so let me just play it quickly. So as you can see, we have a background music in here and a background music and the voiceover. So I recorded the voiceover on a phone and then added it or uploaded it to Canva. So basically what you'll do is just duplicate your first scene or your second scene and so on, so that you'd be able to come up with your entire video. So right now my entire video is around a bit less than 4 minutes. Just quickly play this through. You can just scrub it. Let's just scrub to the last. Okay, so once you're done, you can just download it and that's it. So it will probably take you around 10 minutes to generate the video, which is actually faster than generating it from the desktop editor. So there you have it. So if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, and I appreciate if you would subscribe to the channel.